Oh, will you get the chives out of the fridge and chop them?
Okay, chives.
What else happened in Paris?
I mean, what did you do there? You were alone, right? How was it being alone?
You know, I met a guy in an airplane on the way back from Paris.
A guy.
Yeah.
Old or young?
Nice gentleman. He was older than me.
Old guy, huh? How old? Like 2,500 years old?
Then, how old am I? I'm 18.
You wish.
Hey, do you have a knife sharpener?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, great. Great.
You know, I don't really talk to people much. I'm kind of shy. I don't know what it is. I just can't talk to strangers.
You know, I don't really talk to strangers either. But you know how we met each other in the airplane?
Yeah?
You know, I was coming back to my seat from the lavatory, you know,
Yeah, because you have to pee every 30 minutes.
every 10 minutes.
Yeah. It's even worse.
You keep interrupting me.
That time, the airplane got into some air turbulence, and I was like shaking and then stumbled, and I bumped the back of his seat.
You couldn't kill him when you did that, did you?
I didn't. So then, that time, this guy was choking himself with a candied chestnut, marron glacé, and then by bumping him, he got it out. It's
Wow.
amazing, right? And he thanked me a lot because he believes that I saved his life.
It's crazy. Here, pass me some chives.
Oh, yeah. He asked me what I do, and I told him I'm an actress.
You mean, oh, the actress who does the voiceovers for the local restaurants? Oh my god, aren't you that famous actress? Oh, here, sign my airsick bag. Oh, I love you. Oh.
Shut up. So, you know, we are talking in the airplane, and we started to talk about movies. And I told him about Red because it was really great. And then I found out that he was a director of the film.
Great. Who?
The guy in the airplane.
Oh, that's great. Which film?
The Red!
Oh, that's great.
You're not listening to me.
I'm listening. I was just kind of distracted by this hollandaise sauce.
Oh yeah? Ooh, I love prosciutto.
Prosciutto? This is Spanish shorthand. Hemel.
Whatever. It's the same thing. Ooh, looks great.
Voila! Eggs Benedict.
So we could share.
Did you want some?
Finally.
So what you were saying is, you met a guy on the plane who was the director of Red.
Yeah.
Didn't I react well with 3 different expressions of great, you know, gradually getting excited?
You were just like, sitcom. Great. But you were busy with lunch. And I said, the guy in the airplane. I said, oh, great. Which film? The Red? Great!
I should be an actor.
Wow.
No, I heard Bobby can do 10 different reads with the same line.
Who is Bobby?
De Niro. Robert De Niro?
Jack can do better.
Jack who?
Nicholson. Jack Nicholson. He can do 100 ways.
How many can you do, madame?
Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. Okay? And guess what?
What?
He has a new film project coming up. Might need an Asian actress. Ta-da.
Wow, you're Asian. This could be your big break.
And he also gave me his phone number. And you know what? He said he lives around here.
Around here?
Yeah. And he said I can call him anytime.
Call him and invite him to dinner tonight.
You serious?
Yeah, why? What else are we doing?
Okay,
Go call him.
I'll call him. Hello? Hi, may I speak to Christoph? Hi, this is Nina. Yes, that Nina, the airplane. Yes. How are you? Great. I would like to invite you to dinner. Just wondering if you're available tonight. Yes. That my friend lives in your neighborhood. Great. See you later. He's coming.
Yeah, my reactions of great were a little bit better than yours.